The continue part, circles, exercise 12.4, fourth one, if a line intersect two concentric circles means circles with the same center, with center O at A, B, C and D. Prove that AB is equal to CD. Dear students, here is the picture. Here is two circles here, means concentric circles. Concentric circles means circles with the same center. Here is the two circles with same center, with center O at A, B, C and D. Prove that AB is equal to CD. So, the given image is as follows. First, draw a line segment from O to AD. Look at, observe carefully. First, draw a line segment from O to AD such that OM perpendicular to AD. So, now OM is bisecting AD. OM is bisecting AD since OM perpendicular to AD. Once again, OM perpendicular to AD. So, AM is equal to MD equation 1. AM is equal to MD from equation 1. Also, OM perpendicular to BC. You can observe OM perpendicular to BC. OM bisects BC. From equation 2, therefore, BM is equal to MC from equation 2. In equation 1 is what? AM is equal to MD equation 1. BM is equal to MC equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, subtracting equation 2 in equation 1, AM minus BM is equal to MD minus MC. Look at this picture. AM minus BM. The remaining part is what? AB is equal to MD minus MC. The remaining part is what? CD. Therefore, AM minus BM is equal to AB. MD minus MC is equal to CD. Therefore, at last, AB is equal to CD. Fifth question. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. Dear students, a circular part of radius is what? 20 meter. Is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distances on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. Solution. First, draw a diagram to the given statements. So, first you can draw a diagram to the given statements. The diagram will look as follows. Here, the positions of, once again, here the positions of Ankur, Syed and David are represented as A, B and C respectively. Here the position of Ankur is A, Syed is B and David or C are represented as A, B, C respectively. Since they are sitting at equal distances, nodili A ಇಂದ B ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಿ ಇಂದ ಸಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಇಂದ ಎಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್, ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ವಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆನ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸಮಬಾಹು ತ್ರಿಭುಜ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ is represented D. So D, AD perpendicular to BC is drawn. AD perpendicular to BC is drawn. Now AD is median of triangle ABC. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ABCಗೆ AD ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. AD is median to triangle ABC and it passes through ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಓ. ಯಾವುದು? AD ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ, AD is passes through the center O. Also O is the centroid of the triangle ABC. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? O ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದ್ರದ್ದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABCಯ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? O ಆಗಿದೆ. O is the centroid of triangle ABC. Here OA is the radius of the circle. So OA is equal to 2 by 3 AD. OA is equal to 2 by 3 AD. So now let the side of a triangle a meters, then let the side of a triangle a meters, then BD is equal to A by 2 m. Here BD is equal to A by 2 m. So applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD. Here is triangle ABD. Here AO is what? 2 by 3 AD and BD is what? A by 2 meter. So AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. So once again AB square is equal to AB square. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಹೈಪೋಟಿನಸ್, ವಿಕರ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Here AD square is equal to, ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಫಸ್ಟು BD square plus AD square is equal to AB square. This implies that here AD square is remaining is equal to AB square, BD square plus BD square is also minus BD square. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎ ಬೈ 2 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, 2 2s are 4. Here is equal to, it you take lasaha, 4 into 1 is equal to 4, 4 1s are 4, 4a square minus 4 1s are 4, 1 into a square, here is equal to, subtract 4a square in a square. So 4a square minus a square is what? 3a square by 4. So AD square is equal to 3a square by 4. AD is equal to root of 3a square by 4 is equal to root 3. Square 2 cancelled. The remaining is a. Root of 4 is equal to 2. So AD is equal to root 3 a by 2. So here is OA is what? OA is equal to 2 by 3 AD. In this picture OA is 2 by 3 AD. So OA is equal to 2 by 3 AD. So 20 centimeter is equal to OA is what? 20 meter, because a circular part of radius is 20 meter. What? Here OA is radius. A circular part of radius is 20 meter. So OA is equal to 20 meter into 2 by 3 into AD is root 3 A by 2. So here is 20 meter is equal to 2 by 3 root 3 A by 2. Here is 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. 20 meter is equal to root 3 cancel, 2 cancel, A by root 3. So you take cross multiplication. A is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Once again, so here is 20 meter is equal to 2 by 3. ನಾವು 3 ಅನ್ನು ರೂಟ್ 3 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 3 A by 2. 2 get cancelled, root 3 get cancelled, the remaining is root 3 A by root 3. 20 meter is equal to A by root 3. We take cross multiplication. So A is equal to A into 1 means 1 into A is equal to 20 into root 3 meter. So A is equal to 20 root 3 meter. So the length of the string of the toy is 20 root 3 meter. Once again, so the length of the string of the toy is 20 root 3 meter. Next one, angle subtended by an arc of a circle. Here is a circle with center O. The two chords is AB and CD. If two chords of a circle are equal, here AB is one chord and CD is another chord. If two chords of a circle are equal, then their corresponding arcs are congruent, and conversely, if two arcs are congruent, then their corresponding chords are equal. Very simple. If two chords of a circle ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಎರಡು ಜಾಗಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಸಮವಾದಾಗ, then their corresponding arcs are ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್, ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಕ್ಗಳು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ದೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಎ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇಫ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಒ ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒ ಕ್ಯೂ. Congruent arcs are equal arcs of a circle subtended by equal angles at the center. Once again, congruent arcs are equal arcs of a circle subtended equal angles at the center. Theorem 12.8. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double. The angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Once again, the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double. The angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Proof: given an arc PQ of a circle subtending angles POQ at the center and PAQ at a point A on the remaining part of the circle. Once again, I will teach the proof. Here, given an arc PQ. The arc is PQ of a circle subtending angles POQ at the center and PAQ at a point A on the remaining part of the circle. We need to prove that POQ is equal to 2PAQ. Here is POQ is equal to 2PAQ. So, consider the three different cases as given in the figure 1, 2, 3. Dear students, you look at, observe, consider the three different cases as given in the figure 1. Arc PQ is minor. Look at, observe. In the picture 1, the arc PQ is minor. In picture 2, the arc PQ is a semicircle, and in figure 3, the arc PQ is what? Major. Now, let us begin by joining AO and extending it into a point B. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ AO ಅಪ್ ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರ ತನಕ ಬಿ ವರೆಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೈ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ AO ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಾವು ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ AO ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ. In all the cases, BOQ angle BOQ is equal to angle OAQ and plus angle AQO. Once again, angle BOQ is equal to angle OAQ plus angle AQO. So, because an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Once again, because exterior angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So, also in triangle OAQ, OA is equal to OQ. Once again, OA is equal to OQ means radii of the circle, and angle OAQ is equal to angle OQA. Once again, angle OAQ is equal to angle, illide nodri, angle OAQ is equal to angle OQA. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರೋಣ, ಇದು ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ BOQ BOP ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡು. BOQ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ BOP ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. BOQ is equal to 2OAQ equation 1 and BOP is equal to ಟು ಓ ಎ ಪಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್. ದಿಸ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಒ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ನಾನೀಗ ಫಿಗರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಒ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಒ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1. A second one, angle BOP is equal to 2 angle OAP in equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, angle BOP plus angle BOQ is equal to 2 into angle OAQ plus angle OAP. This gives that this is the same as angle BOP plus angle BOQ is equal to POQ is equal to 2 into angle OAQ plus angle OAP is equal to 2 into angle PAQ. ನಾನು ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, BOP ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಬಿ ಒ ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಒ ಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಒ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಬಿ ಒ ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಒ ಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಒ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು, ಪಿ ಒ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಒ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಓ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಓ ಎ ಪಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಓ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಓ ಎ ಪಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ, ಎರಡೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಪಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಪಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್, ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಕೇಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಚಿತ್ರ 3ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ in case 3 where PQ is the major arc, 3 is replaced by the equation 2. Angle POQ is equal to 2 P angle PAQ. So 3 is replaced by reflection angle POQ is equal to 2 PAQ. Once again, the reflection angle 3 is replaced by reflex angle POQ. means ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ವಾಟ್ ಇದು, ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ O, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಎಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಇದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಏನಂತ, ಪಿ ಒ ಕ್ಯೂ ಯಾವುದು, ಈ ಪಿ ಒ ಕ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಇಂಟು ವಾಟ್, ಪಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಪಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪಿ ಒ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಪಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ. Remark, suppose we join points P and Q and form a chord PQ in the above figure, then angle PAQ is also called the angle formed in the segment PAQP. Once again, we join points PQ and form a chord PQ in the above figure, then angle PAQ is also called as the angle formed in the segment PAQP. In theorem 12.8, A can be any point on the remaining part of the circle. Once again, A. This A can be any point on the remaining part of the circle. So, if you take any point on the other point C on the remaining part of the circle as shown in the figure. A can be any point on the remaining part of the circle. So, if you take any other point C on the remaining part of the circle as shown in the figure, you have, so here angle POQ is equal to, very important, note that angle POQ is equal to angle PCQ is equal to 2 angle PAQ. This point is very important. Angle POQ is equal to 2 into angle PCQ is equal to 2 into angle PAQ. So, therefore, last angle PCQ is equal to angle PAQ. Angle PCQ is equal to angle PAQ. Dear students, all of you understood? The remaining part will be continued in the next class.